amps right here instead of the back. So you have like a stump wall in the back, or?
No, I don't have space for a stump wall.
Space?
No.
So you pretty much built it all the way back.
Pretty much.
That's more room for demo.
Pretty much.
Ooh. Could you put the window up, give me an intro real quick, what all's in here?
Yeah.
Sorry, I appreciate it.
You good. So I have 6 XFL12s on a VFL-COMP 12K, wire to 1 ohm, and I'm probably not even clamping more than 5K.
Okay. Have you metered it?
Yeah, it sucks.
It does? Okay.
Yeah, it sucks. It's last time I did it before Ted Johnson tuned it, it was a 151.3, I think it was.
Okay. It's probably just more musical based build, so you have great bandwidth?
Yes, rear port's 30 and front port's 260. So
60. Oh, so you tune really high, so you're probably playing all the ranges up to like what, 60 hertz then? Wow.
I usually don't play above 50.
You don't? Okay.
Nah.
All right. Awesome. Yeah. What about your electrical alternator and battery, real quick?
Alternator, I have a Irragi 320.
Okay.
I have 2 out welding wire, EV Flex all throughout, and right now, as of right now, I only have 1 XS D3400 on the engine bay, and then 2 D3100s under the seats. I need to get more batteries.
Really? Awesome. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm lacking on battery power, but
yes, sir. Okay.
you know, it's doing what it can.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. What was your name?
Ian Rodriguez.
Ian. All right. Awesome.
All right.
I will make you.
Wow, what frequency was that? That one's low.
I think it was 28 and 40 hertz.
Wow, dude. Dude, it sounds really good though, really musical. So you got great bandwidth.
Yeah,
I like it, man.
I can play down up to 25 hertz, and that's when I'm gonna just cut it off. It's it gets kind of sketchy below that.
Which is really pretty much all you really need, unless you like super lows. I like the style of the box, dude. It looks really good, and it's got a clingy look with the LEDs on it. It actually looks nice at nighttime.
Hunter Martin was the one that designed this, and me and Daniel Lyon and a couple other groups on my of our car club just kind of helped out and built it over the weekend.
Awesome. Appreciate it, man. Nice to meet you, man. I'm gonna go check out is the back open?
Yeah, it is.
For the amp? Okay. All right.
The amp's right here, right behind you. The bass
okay.
amp.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, I'll have to look at it real quick. There it is.
If you want, you can actually lift the seat on the side.
Right there?
Pop up. There you go.
Nice. That's a big amp.
Yes, sir. VFL-COMP, all American bass.
And is that 1 ohm? Or no?
Right now, the amp's seeing 1 ohm.
Wow. I like that the amp's right right here instead of the back. So you have like a stump wall in the back, or
No, I don't have space for a stunt
no
wall.
space?
No.
So you pretty much built it all the way back.
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay.
And the original idea was to build a stunt wall, but we're gonna have space.
Awesome. Thank you for showing me, man.
No, sir, no
That
problem.
was
Sir.
great. Great demo.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Cause I will make you. Cause I will make you.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.